Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So a lot of guys have been asking me how I maintain my hair and about my curly hair routine. So I decided to do a little hair video for you. Today I'm gonna show you how I do hair mask. Before we get into the video, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and you can follow me on my Instagram at Beauty. As you guys see, I have already brushed my hair. Look at how big is this. My hair is bigger than my future. Literally, it took me 30 minutes to brush my hair. Can you guys believe that? I bought this Garnier hair food from drugstore, and it says this is 3-in-1. You guys can use this as a hair conditioner, as a hair mask, and as a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna use this one today as a hair mask. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna section off my hair. And I have this spray bottle. I'm gonna spray water. The smell is so good. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We fall from the shallow now. Okay, my hair is done now. I'm gonna wrap my hair with a hot towel. I wrapped my hair with a hot towel. I'm gonna stay 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to wash my hair now and I'll be back in a second. This is the final result. Oh my god, I'm in so low with my hair. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. I love you guys so much.